let me present to you PruLink Assurance Account Plus. 3,000 pesos per month ang premium. Ang insurance benefits nito ay death benefit of 2 million pesos, disability benefit of 1 million pesos, accidental death and disablement additional 600,000 pesos, critical illness benefit 500,000, murder and assault benefit 250,000, accident reimbursement benefit 50,000 pesos, daily hospital income in case of hospital confinement 1,000 pesos per day, surgical reimbursement up to 15,000 pesos, and we also have waiver of premium due to disability. Meron rin itong investments depende sa fund na paglalagyan mo. From bonds to equity, meron yan. After 20 years, under 4% annual returns, merong 591,433 na maiiwan after all the charges. Unguaranteed dito. Kaya naman kung 30 years old ka na at wala ka pang insurance and investment,